VIP clothing up 8%. So that textile story going. We'll discuss that as well with our guests. Then you also have very, very few names. Kitex garments again from the textiles basket, apparels basket that's buzzing in trade. So just that and very, very few names over there. Mayuresh, coming back to you, we're also seeing textile space rallying. Do you think again that we were discussing the advantage of India vis-a-vis other Asian markets? What do you think one should approach be on as far as textile story is concerned?
And also comparatively better place, actually. And again, I think if the tariff imposition is lesser compared to the rest of the pack as we speak, and we know is China, Bangladesh, to a certain extent Pakistan and Vietnam that control a large market share as far as the textile space in the US is concerned. Their tariff imposition has been significantly higher. So comparatively better off. But ultimately, I think, again, it reflects that the US consumer will have to pay much more in terms of what he's buying as all these goods get imported into the US, whether it's bed linen, whether it's pillowcases, whether it's mattresses, as an example. But comparatively, I think the integrated players stand a better chance because they've got the entire end-to-end processes, right, from yarn till garmenting at their behest. They've also got captive power at their behest. And therefore, since they're able to control this entire value chain, what really happens is the cost optimizations becomes a lot more effective, creating better operating leverage. Again, there is some element of hope that the duties on textile products, like we are speaking of pharma, might also come down because ultimately, I think a large part of this market is imported. I think very few companies make in the US as we speak. But just an exception to this entire pack, I think KPR Vardhman obviously entirely integrated. Indocount is or might be a very, very interesting case. The reason being, I think, again, they have a complete process in place as we speak. But they have put in a US manufacturing facility as well, which should get commissioned as we speak. And therefore, I think as the acquisitions that they have in the US, with the manufacturing unit that has probably happened, maybe they stand a better chance in terms of catering to this market compared to the rest of the pack. So I think if I have to break down, I think KPR, Vardhman, fully integrated players, tad a bit better off compared to the rest of the pack. But Indocount, because of these reasons that I've mentioned, actually might stand a better chance if the tariffs stay as they stand.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.